Hello and welcome to Sadasa's classes. Today we are going to solve some questions from quantitative aptitude. We all know that quants is one of the most important portion regarding any competitive examination. And quants is most easiest and high scoring portion also, as it doesn't contain any conceptual complexity rather than it requires only your computational and numerical skills. Okay, so let's start with the first question. Two dice are tossed. Okay, the probability that the total score is a prime number is what? Okay, now we know that number of ways of outcomes when two dice are thrown is the number of ways of outcomes when two dice are thrown is equals to ns let, and this is nothing but 6 square, which is 36. Okay, and possible cases of event when the sum of the numbers on two dice is a prime number are, and possible cases of event when the sum of the numbers on the two dice, when the sum of the numbers on two dice is a prime number, are 1 1, 1 2, 1 4, 1 6, 2 1, 2 3, 2 5, 3 2, 3 4, 4 1, 4 3, 5 2, 5 6, 6 1, and lastly 6 5. Okay, therefore the number of events is equals to, that is the number of favorable events is equals to NA, which is nothing but 15. Hence the required probability is required probability is equals to NA by NS, which is nothing but 15 by 36, which results in 5 by 12. So the required answer for this question is 5 by 12, that is the option 2. Now let's jump to the next question. The ratio of ages of A and B is x is to y. If A's age is increased by 3 years and B's age is increased by 2 years, then new ratio of their ages become 24 is to 25. Given that the sum of their actual ages is 93 years, find the actual ratio of their ages. So first of all, assume that ages assume that ages of A and B are X and Y respectively. Okay. By the question, X plus Y is equals to 93. And it is also given that if the age of A is increased by 3 years and the age of B is increased by 2 years, then the ratio of their ages is equals to 24:25, which is 25x. After cross multiplication we get 25x into 25 into 3 is equals to 24y plus 24 into 2. Therefore 25x minus 24y is equals to minus 27. Therefore we have two equations, equation number 1, equation number 2. Now from these two equations we can solve the values of x and y. X plus y is equals to 93. 25x minus 24y is equals to minus 27. If we multiply 25 with the first equation and multiply 1 with the second, it results in 25x plus 25y is equals to 93 into 25, and the next equation results in 25x minus 24y is equals to minus 27. So after subtraction we get 49y is equals to 93 into 25 plus 27. Okay, and this results in 48, and therefore the value of x is equals to 45. So the respective ratio is so the required ratio is 45 is to 48. That is the option 3. Okay, so we have solved the two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quantitative aptitude, you can join our classes. So feel free to WhatsApp us in these two numbers, that is 9836793076 and 9874822756. And for further details, you can also check our website, which is www.sarasasclasses.com. Thank you.